In the world of oil and gas, the right connections can power more than just machinery. They power opportunities, innovation, and success. But in an industry as vast as the energy sector, how can you stand out? How do you connect with the right people and make your mark? Enter Rain Assembly, your partner in harnessing the power of LinkedIn to fuel your business development. We begin by refining our digital presence, transforming your LinkedIn profile into a magnet for opportunity. Through our technical article writing service, we elevate your sales team to subject matter experts, SMEs. Each article is a stepping stone, positioning them as authoritative voices, transforming cold calls into welcomed conversations. We strategically build your network, connecting you with decision makers and influencers in the energy world. With power posting, your insights make an impact, reaching and engaging your target audience effectively. We reverse engineer your ideal client profile, crafting messages that resonate through their lens, ensuring our content not only informs and educates, but also aligns perfectly with your value proposition. At Rain Assembly, we speak your language from day one. With field-level expertise, we bypass the learning curve, delivering insights and content that resonate with the core of your industry. Our specialization in the energy sector is powered by decades of expertise. Our extensive network encompasses industry leaders, international E&P operators, and national oil companies, enabling us to penetrate markets at a global scale. The result? A distinguished brand presence that drives engagements, strengthens networks, and opens doors to unparalleled opportunities in the energy sector. Ready to energize your professional brand? Connect with Rain Assembly today, and let's ignite your LinkedIn profile together. Rain Assembly, powering your professional journey in the oil and gas sector.